Hello there, geometry fans. Here's quiz 4.2. I am Mr. Brooks. So here we go. Question number 1. We're going to ask you to determine which method, side, angle, side, angle, side, angle, 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 side, or hypotenuse leg can be used to prove that these two triangles are equal. Biggest thing I want to point out to you here, or if there's not enough information, that's a choice too, is looky here. You have right angles. That's like a dead giveaway as to which one we should be looking for. I also want to point out to you that that guy is used in both triangles and he is congruent. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2, same thing. All right. I always, when I do these, a lot of times, well, I'll even say like, okay, I've got a side and a side. Here's an angle and an angle, and here's another angle and another angle. Okay, so does that match up to anything on your list? Take a look. On to page 2. Same thing, same exact thing. I will help you out to say, remember, that's a reflexive property. That side's being used to himself. So again, I'd mark them. I would say, okay, I got a single tick. So there's a side and a side. Here's a side and a side, but then I got an angle and an angle. Does that match up with anything down here, or is it not enough information? It's question 3. And finally, to question 4, if you watched the last episode of the thrilling adventures of geometry quizzes, to help you out, I named these statements 1, 2, 3, and 4. I like to give these to you, and then I label them up above here. So let's see here. This would be 1. You could drag and drop him. Where's my, oh, there it is. This is 2. You can drag and drop him. This would be 3, and this would be 4. Now, all the remaining items are your reasons. Okay. Actually, this is a reason. This guy goes right there. I'm sorry, that was my mistake. And then this one. So those are the 4 choices you've got for down here, these 4 here. Okay? So make sure you put your givens in first. Usually the angles, or the sides, those are usually towards the end. Okay? Also, want you to remember that if we zoom in on this picture, they give us some given information here that could prove to be helpful. And I always like to label them when I do a proof. They say that Kn, or angle K, so this angle is equal to this one. There's a single arc. And these two are equal as well. And then I'll also point out, if you got a line being shared in both, that guy is equal too. So that should help you out with your proof, okay? And that, my dear friends, is the end of this quiz already. So take your time, go back, rewatch something, or ask for some help if you need to. Have a great rest of your day.